Mahal kita. Diyos. Sana all love. In Bisaya, we say, Hi Chingus! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, dahil naka-formal attire tayo, so let us learn some common Bisaya phrases translated into Tagalog. Okay, so if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. So I have here the list. Number 1, Magandang araw sa'yo. In Bisaya, it's maayong adlaw kanimo. Okay? So araw in Bisaya is adlaw. So it's maayong adlaw kanimo. But if you want to be specific, like you will going to say magandang umaga sa'yo. So in Bisaya, it's maayong buntag kanimo. Umaga in Bisaya is buntag. Okay? So if it's afternoon, magandang tanghali sa'yo. In Bisaya, it's maayong udto kanimo. At pag gabi naman, magandang gabi sa'yo in Tagalog. In Bisaya, we say, maayong gabi kanimo. Okay? Number 2, kumain ka na, that's in Tagalog. But ours in Bisaya, it's nikaon na ka. So, ganun yung pagtatanong in Bisaya. Nikaon na ka. Number 3, in Tagalog, it's saan ka pupunta. But ours in Bisaya, it's asa ka padulong. So, asa in Bisaya, it means saan in Tagalog. Number 4, in Tagalog, it's kumusta ka na. But ours in Bisaya, it's kumusta na ka. Okay, so ganun. Parang nag-swap lang yung ka na into naka. Okay? Number 5, pagod na ako sa'yo. So that's in Tagalog. But ours in Bisaya, it's gikapoy nako nimo. So ganon yung pag-translate. Gikapoy nako nimo. Number 6, saan ka nakatira? So that's in Tagalog. In Bisaya, it's asa ka nagpuyo or aha ka nagpuyo. Okay? Or you can say taga-asa ka. Number 7, mahal kita. Diyos. Sana all love. In Bisaya, we say gihigugma tika. Okay? So ganun. Gihigugma tika. Number 8, mag-ingat ka. So, in Bisaya, it's pag-amping ha. Ganon. So, just like John Lloyd Cruz in his commercial, he said, ingat. So, will be translated into Bisaya, it's amping. Ganon. Number 9, maraming salamat. In Bisaya, it's daghang salamat. So, marami in Tagalog, in Bisaya, it's daghan. Okay? Number 10, paalam na. So, in Bisaya, it's muadto nako or mulakaw nako. Okay? So, that's it. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa short video na to. So, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, comment, share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so annyeong, goodbye!